check. Keep hosing, check. Run up a check. Get money, check. Still pretty, check. Keep hosing, check. Run up a check. Get money.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Coco, and I'm back with another video, y'all. Okay, today, as you can tell by the title, I'm making s'mores in the oven. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna be making s'mores made in the oven. I just thought of this when I was just, walking around the store, just like, my face looks shiny. Anyways, I was walking around the store, like, I want something sweet. So, I'm gonna make s'mores in the oven. My ingredient, what I have for y'all is, I have 2 bags of marshmallows. I got 2 things of Hershey's. There it is. And I got a box of graham crackers. And I got this. This is what I'm gonna put it all in. It's small because it's not that many people that's gonna be eating it, and I don't want to make it and then have to throw it all away. No, we don't waste stuff over here, okay? That's not something that we do, okay? But anyways, y'all, let's get into the video, okay? Y'all see that back there? Yeah, it's touchscreen. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so before we even do anything, make sure you wash your hands. Okay, hands are washed. Second, we're gonna preheat the oven, okay? I'm preheating mine to 350. Come on. Let's go preheat the oven. And that, my friend, is how you preheat a oven. I said oven, an oven. Okay, so now we're gonna open up the graham crackers. And I'm gonna get y'all right on the camera angle so y'all can see what I'm putting in the pan. Oh, let's get into it. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the graham crackers. And you're gonna line the bottom with the graham crackers. You ain't gotta question me. Tell me I'm always right. Okay. Oh. Yeah, sometimes. Okay, that's not gonna work. How big do this make it? There we go. There we go. Here we go. Here we go again. Okay, and then you're gonna take, oh my goodness. Oh, I didn't know it was so many candy bars in here. I didn't know. Oh wow, I could have just bought one. But anyway, I could be wasting money for nothing. And take the, and take the candy bar, and you're gonna line it at the bottom, just like you did. You're gonna line it on, like, just like you did for the graham crackers. You ain't gotta question me. Shawty, I'm always right. Y'all, that's my song right now. I can't help it. Oh, I just dropped the graham crackers and they broke. Wow. Y'all, if y'all want me to make the biggest pot, well not pot, but pan of the biggest pan of graham crackers. Well, not graham crackers, but the biggest pan of s'mores. Spam this video. I want y'all to spam the video. I want y'all to share this video. And I'll make the biggest pan ever. The biggest. The biggest pan. And then I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna give it to people. You gotta question me. Shawty, I'm always right up. You gotta question me. And you're yours and mine. Now this is got me. Y'all don't know what I'm doing, but anyways. Okay, so that's how it's looking. Y'all, should I make a 2-layer? Or should I keep it simple as one? I don't know. Y'all gotta spam me. Cause I'm going crazy. Oh. Pour these marshmallows right on top. You spread it. Spread it on around, you feel me? Make sure you can't see no chocolate, okay? No chocolate, baby girl, okay? This s'mores got me hyped, okay? S'mores got me hyped. But anyways, y'all see that? Oh my god, oh my goodness. Look at me, low-key trying to make a thumbnail. It ain't even done. I gotta wait till it's done. But anyways, y'all, let's put this in the oven. Come on. So we're gonna put this in the oven. Yeah. Y'all see that? Yeah, it shouldn't take that long. I'll be back when it's done. Wait, let me get some light. Okay, y'all, I just want to give y'all a quick little update and see what it's looking like. Oh, y'all, it's almost done. It's been about 6 minutes in here. It's looking good, y'all. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at that. Y'all, I'll be back when it's done. Oh my god, look at that. It's ready, y'all. It's been about 11 minutes or something, y'all. It don't take that long. It's been about 11 minutes, y'all. It's time to take it. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all. Don't that just look like... I'm a slow motion it for you. Okay, y'all. I'ma tell ooh, everything. Okay, y'all. I'ma tell my mama them to come in here so we can try this on out. I'll be back. Y'all, Journey Ray's tasty. Y'all see this little, ooh, that little crunch at the top. Oh my god. Ooh. Your girl done did it again. Ooh, okay, y'all, I'm about to get my piece. Let's see what it's hitting for. Ooh. Okay, y'all, I got my piece. Let's see what it's talking about. Mmm. Oh my god. Yeah, this is good. It tastes just like a s'more. Cause it is a s'more, duh. Mmm. Oh. Y'all, I'm about to go enjoy this off camera because it's getting a little messy, okay? So if you like this video, excuse me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and show your girl some love, y'all. It's lit over here, so why not? But until next time, y'all, peace.
I be grinding, show at the show, man. I mean, I'm thriving.